Let's solve this together. It says 4 raised to power 2x minus 3 is equal to 24. We're required to solve for the value of x in this question. Okay? Now, first things first, you can re-express 4 to be equal to 2 squared and 24 to be equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3. Okay? Now, we'll substitute 4 and 24 with these in this equation. So we have 2 squared all raised to power 2x minus 3, okay, to be equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3, okay. Now, when you have a raised to power m, all raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to power m multiplied by n, okay. So doing that here, we now have 2 raised to power 4x minus 6 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3, okay. Now, moving on from here, we can say that when you have a raised to power m minus n is equal to a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, okay. So we have 2 raised to power 4x minus 6 now becomes 2 raised to power 4x divided by 2 raised to power 6 to be equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3. Moving on from here, we have that 2 raised to power 4x will become equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 6, okay. Now we have 2 raised to power 4x to become equal to 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 6 is as 2 raised to power 3 plus 6 multiplied by 3, okay. Now we now have 2 raised to power 4x to be equal to 2 raised to power 9 multiplied by 3, okay. Now this point, you can say let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we take the logarithm of 2 raised to power 4x and it's equal to the logarithm of 2 raised to power 9 multiplied by 3, okay, together like this. Now we have, let's say the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 2. So we take the logarithm in this base, okay, of both sides. So we have here that 4x now multiply this log from the laws of logarithm to give me 4x times logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to logarithm of 2 to the power 9 to base 2 plus, okay, when you have multiplication and log, you put plus and write the log of the second number or the third number as the case might be, okay. Now you now have logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. 1 times 4x is 4x. Is equal to 9 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2. Now moving on from here, we're going to have that 4x is equal to, again, logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. 1 times 9 is 9 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2, okay. Let's divide each term by 4. So we have 4x divided by 4 is equal to 9 divided by 4 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. X is now equal to 9 over 4 plus, let's say 1 over 4 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2. Okay, now this becomes the final solution to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.